Today, analyze few stock and some of the stock I have it. The first one is Midcom. This is daily chart, by the way. I only do short trade for this one. So basically, what happened is you can see the purple is going to go upward, and the blue, the red is going upward, right? We go above the blue, so it's a very strong signal. And you can see we have three critical candle here. This is YM chip entry to tell you institution they came in here. Okay, so this is not a very low point. This is quite high price for MU, but we still have this free candle. Okay, so another thing I want you to check is so this is a strong stock, and I have this stock. This is not a recommendation. This is just an education. I want to show you how to buy, how to sell. If you want to use uh, if you want to buy low, if you don't follow the trend, if you want to buy low, you use YM chip entry to buy. So when you happen to have green candle, when they disappear, check the first candle or the highest candle. The first candle is the safe one. Okay. So when they go above it, in this case, is both is the same candle. When they go close above it, this is the first buy point, and you can see the red is turning upward. So basically, I add my position a few days ago here. Okay, so I still have MU this stock, and if you see, this is a very strong stock compared to other tech stock, and they have the up signal back to April 2025. So far, we don't have any up signal all the way, and basically, the blue is switching from downward slightly and is tilting to upward. Okay, and the big volume trade is also good. They go above zero, and the institution holding is also good. So this is MU. So this is one of the stock I mentioned a few weeks ago. This is a very strong stock. Two stock I would say is the strongest one so far in US stock, in the tech stock. One is SNDK, another one is MU. So this stock you may have a look. And of course, I will also go through other stock like Dell. Dell, I also mentioned it. The second one is SNDK. The SNDK a little bit slow today. Let me see. The SNDK here is quite similar flow. So you can see the chart. So it's still loading. Wait, so it's the same thing. The purple go upward, the blue go upward, the red go upward. So this free timeline is going upward. This means free time frame, there's their upward trend. So this is very strong. Second, look at the money go above zero. The big volume trade go above zero, and this YM cheapest we go above this purple line. The only difference is the YM cheap entry. We don't have candle here. It means institution did not buy more here. Okay, something you need to be a bit alert. Why? Maybe the price is still very high. I don't know. But do we have a strong hold signal? Yes, we do. Basically here, when they like this is the first buy point, this is also a second buy point. This is only education purpose. We don't recommend any trade. So far you can see this is a strong stock SNDK. Another stock I would like to mention is Apple. I don't have this stock, by the way, but many people ask me for the Apple, Google, Meta, this stock. So Apple, this stock, look at the trend. I want you to look at blue line and purple line before you buy, although you have institution come in. But institution coming in, it doesn't mean this is the absolutely low point because they can come in for over for few years. Okay, so I want you to be a bit smart when you see this candle. This candle tell you relative low. Yes, you can do a short trade. Yes, but no one tell you to buy for long term. Why? Because it's not confirmed this will go up because the trend is still going downward. Okay, so if you want to buy long-term trend, at least you need to wait the blue go upward and you see institution coming. It's not too far. This is the beginning of the bull market. And this moment, you see, do we have any bull market signal here? Even short term, we don't have a buy point. You see, even short term, we don't have a buy point here. Our difference between us and the institution is the resource. Institution have unlimited resource. They can buy many times, but we cannot buy many times. Okay, so I want you to be a bit alert about how to buy, okay? Don't buy with the, don't catch the falling knife. I want you to be safe. I want you, once you buy, you follow the trend to make money, to have an easy money. Okay, so this is Apple. Apple is going downward. We don't have any buy signal. Another one is Meta. Meta used to be my favorite stock, but this moment, you need to be careful because they just dropped below the blue, the purple. They drop below the purple and the blue going downward. So something is not right here. Okay, so when they drop below the blue, I want to show you. When the blue drop below, this is not a good thing. Okay, this, the blue, the purple, they drop below the purple, they will continue to drop. Here they also continue to drop. So when does it come back? Is the blue has to go upward. As long as the blue go downward, forget, okay? And now it's downward. And now it's even basically free line is not doing so well because free line, none of them going upward. And they even go below this free color line. So it's not good. And we have down signal previously already. Okay. So if you want to avoid those four signal to have a better picture, you can look at weekly chart. You have a down signal here and the purple actually from upward trend, you can see the purple going flat. What does it mean? It means upward trend, they are becoming flat, which is sideways market. The blue going downward. This is not good. This is really bad. The red line tell you right away what is that month the trend. This is a downward trend basically from this day, from this candle. Okay, and the money basically they are leaving from here. So it's very obvious meta here. They're going down from here. Very obvious. If you look at weekly chart, you can see everything very clearly. Okay, and another one I want to check is Google. Google here, you see, the red line is our trade line. When the red change from upward to downward, this candle tell us, hey, you need to run because they have yellow candle disappear, they drop below the red line change to direction, even the money go below zero, the money turning down. So this is the last signal to tell you run. Okay, so this is not a recommendation to tell you to buy to sell because I don't know your time frame. But if you are a very stable investor, this stock is not yet to tell you this there is a buy point yet. It doesn't tell you. But I have to give you a bit alert. Is it possible they go down and go up again? Yes, it happened before. And it doesn't show a down, and now we don't have a down signal here. That's true, but we don't know how long do they go down, right? So the advantage of the stock market is you can always buy, can always sell. It's not like property market. So you can buy, sell very flexible. So why don't we wait for the best moment to buy and to sell? Okay, so you see here, the blue line going downward, the purple line going downward. So this is a very strong indicator to tell you, hey, I'm going downward. You see the money going downward. Some rebounds may happen, I don't know. But so far, I tell you, this is a very weak stock, Google. I love Google, by the way, but we need to wait to have a better price to buy. And now this is a correction right now. Why? Because the blue going downward. And weekly chart doesn't look good also. Okay. Another stock I look at is Dell. Um, Dell is quite interesting. And before I told you, the blue going upward, the purple going upward, and we have one big volume candle here. Boom, at the low point, they suddenly go up. Okay, and I have this stock. I don't recommend any trade. And I want to say we have an up here. So daily chart, we do have buy signal previously. Okay, if you're a very short-term trader, you can also see here the red is still okay, still good. Okay, And another thing, you see the money here? They kick out all the green already. Now we go back to the weekly chart. Do we have a bigger moment for the bigger opportunity for Dell? So Dell opportunity, suppose you should buy here about 115 this level. Then you're making around 50% profit. This moment, we know, you see this three line, they are getting together, they closing together, and it look like they're going to have the sequence for red and then blue and then the purple. Is it look good? Yes. Yes. Hopefully they can form something like this. You see, every single time they have blue, red, blue, purple in sequence like this going upward. The key point is go upward. Then they will push the price go very fast. Okay. Another thing, so this is Dell, and so this is the update today. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, click like and subscribe and share with your friend. Give me some comments, any stock you want me to cover in the video. And I see you tomorrow. See you. Bye.